Good afternoon, Redfield students. This is Mr. Greg coming back at you with another how-to video to make your e-learning less stressful and hopefully a little easier to communicate with your teachers. A big part of e-learning is communication through videos or email, and this particular how-to video will show you how to log into your email. What you're going to need to have is your login username and your password. If you do not have those, please contact Redfield Public School during school hours and we'll be able to assist you in getting that information. First thing you need to do to access your email is go to the Redfield Public School website, www.redfield.k12.sd.us. Once you are there, you're going to look to the upper right hand corner of our web page and look for the icon that looks like an envelope and labeled email underneath. This is where you will go to log into your email, so click there. Upon clicking on that icon, it'll go to the Outlook login page. Right here on mine, it does have my name. It might say login user or use another account. Click on either or, and if you have logged in before, you can click on your name. Sometimes it remembers it. So I'm going to click on my name. And then it'll bring you to the K-12 data login site. For me to log in, it has me type out my full email address with my name and then at k12.sd.us. For you guys, for the students, you will need to type in your login and your password, which you should have gotten from the school. If you do not have it, please contact the school. But for the students, it'll be your first initial of your first name, first initial of your last name, and then 3 numbers afterwards. And then your password will be a combination of numbers, letters, and symbols. So once you do this, you log in. You click sign in and it'll take you there. It might ask you if you want to stay signed in. That'll keep you logged in and remember your password for you. That's up to you. I'm going to say no. Okay, and then it takes you to your email interface. This will be your platform where you send emails. Right here is where your emails will come in, probably from friends or teachers. You can click on them. You click on it so it's selected and it should turn blue or gray. And if you hit the delete button up at the top here, that'll delete it. Okay. You can scroll down here and see all the emails you have. Okay. If you want to type a new message, up here to the left corner in the top, it says new message. You go in there. And then over here, it'll say to. You can type in the person's name. So if I want to send one to a student, click on their name, and it'll maybe find it for you. You click on that and it puts their name in there. If it comes up in blue, that means it's ready to go. In the subject line, when emailing a teacher, you should probably put a few words in there of what you're emailing about. Maybe you could be history class or history worksheet or questions. Then click down here, and I'm going to type down here is where I'm going to type my message to the teacher. So I just write, Dear Mr. Greg, I do not understand the directions on the worksheet. Could you please help me out? Okay. And then up at the top, I would hit send. If you're looking to learn how to attach videos, or attach a file or a document, we have another video that explains that. Also, another reminder is remember when you get a group email from a teacher, meaning the teacher emails the whole class with a worksheet or instructions, if you hit reply all everybody on that list is going to see what you want to ask the teacher. If you hit just reply, it should allow you just to have contact with that teacher, where it's a private conversation between you and the person you're trying to send the message to. Okay? And that's just a simple, easy way to send an email. Down at the bottom here, we do have some editing and formatting, bold, italicized. You can highlight here and change the colors. When you're ready to go, you hit send here down at the bottom.